Welcome to EDU World Space.
The following graph is an Euler circuit. If it does have an Euler circuit, find such a circuit. If it does not have an Euler circuit, explain why. You can be sure that it does not. A lot of this has to do with determining the degrees at each vertex. So the degree of at vertex A is 2 because there are two edges at that vertex. The degree of B is 2. The degree of C is 2. D is 2. E is 3 because there are 1, 2, 3 edges. F is 2, G is 5, and H is 4. Now, the rule is that you can find an Euler circuit if all the degrees are even or if there are exactly two odd. And there are exactly two odd here, E and G. If it's even, you can start anywhere. And if it's odd, you have to begin and end at an odd. So we must begin at either E or G. Let's just say I begin at E. An Euler circuit would be crossing every edge and vertex only once. We cannot go over anything twice. So let's say I go from E to D. So I'm just going to start listing them in order. If I go from E to D and then I go down to G, and then let's say I go up to C, down to H, up to B, down to A, over to H, over to G, over to F, up to E, back to G. Following that path beginning at E and ending at G is an example of an Euler circuit.